you know what's good for you, just click the link in the description and buy this wig. If you know what is good for you, Shobo, if you know what's good for you, just click the link and buy this. What did I say? Buy this wig. Cause it makes sense, but yeah, oh, makes sense. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this kinky straight wow African wig that I have here. This hair is stunning. Ugh. I feel like kinky hair needs to come back in fashion because this is the best hair that's going to match with our hair type, and it just looks so natural and so like nobody can tell you this is natural hair. And what's best about this wig is the lace. The lace is impeccable. Like, guys, I don't think you understand. Like, look how good this lace is. It's freaking stunning. Can we just get into the flow of this hair? Like, this hair is so bomb. Like I said, this hair is from Wow African Hair. This is the box. This is how it comes. Looks like this. In the box you get a really nice silk or satin bag to put your wig in, which is really helpful because you don't want your wigs to be dry and crusty. And then they give you a free pair of lashes, so that's always nice, and a little instruction manual to tell you how to apply your wig. But with this wig, I feel like you don't need, it's like you don't need instructions, but it's basically for basic girls like me because I don't know how to do my hair. And this wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything, elastic band already in there, combs already in there. You can wear it glueless or you can wear it with glue. Personally today I'm gonna wear it with bedhead. I'm not gonna wear any glue, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of bedhead just to have it adhere to my face. So you get that, and then you get obviously a wig cap, and you get a little comb, which is really helpful. So yeah, I believe the wig is 22 inches, but if I'm wrong, I'll leave all the specs in the description box. Medium cap size, 22 inches, gorgeous hair. Let's apply. So I've already put my hair back in my wig cap, and I have gone ahead to straighten the wig and gave a little press on the hairline. Again, this is the wig construction, and I'll do a little close up of the lace so you can really get a good idea of what we're working with. It's stunning, gorgeous. I'm gonna wipe off the excess makeup on my forehead because I don't want that to disrupt the slay and the lay on the wig. So I'm gonna make sure all the oil and everything is away. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna get the wig and I'm just gonna apply it. This wig is perfect for any first time wig wearers. Ooh, I can kind of see my wig cap there, so I might have to take that off or push it back a bit more. Yeah, just be mindful of that. This matches my hairline really well. I'm gonna do a little close up of the hairline so you can really see. Matches my hairline perfectly. I'm gonna cut off the ear tabs. These scissors are so blunt and it really gets on my nerves, so make sure you have some sharp scissors. Perfect. And just do the other side. Okay. So if you guys can see, this bit of the hairline is a bit too forward, so I'm gonna take that bit off. My natural hairline doesn't flow like that, so just gonna come out down. But I do want a little bit of a widow's peak, so I'm gonna give myself a tiny widow's peak. Right, everything is making sense. I'm just gonna put this away. We're gonna be cutting that off because we don't need that. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the lace in 3 portions or pieces. It's just gonna make it easier when I'm doing the application. I'm gonna get my bedhead spray. This is from Amazon, bedhead. It works so good. So I'm just gonna spray a tiny bit just in that middle section that we sectioned off. Try not to get it too far down on your forehead, otherwise it can get messy. I'm just gonna spray that there. Blend it in with my fingers. Hold it like so, and then I'm gonna get my blow dryer and blow away. Okay, that's definitely stuck on there, I believe. So I'm gonna move on to this side. Just gonna pull that down taut to match my hairline. I'm just gonna spray. Mate, this hair is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, hair is so buff. Oh no. Hey, this is my blow dryer Dyson. Dyson, 500 pounds. I'm sorry, I haven't even cut the lace off, but you can't tell me this does not look like my hairline. Yes, sir. If you don't like glue like me, like I'm not the biggest fan of Ghost Bond and all these other glues, then this thing right here, fantastic. And you can definitely wear this wig without adhesive because it has elastic band and it's really, really snug. The hairline is on and stuck. So I'm gonna get my elastic band, lay that and keep it on for about 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna straighten the hair just a little bit more. It doesn't really need any more straightening, just to get it more silky and more like flowy. And I'm just gonna hot comb the top as well. We've straightened and we've pressed and the hair is looking gorgeous. Do a little close up so you guys can see the real texture. Look at that body, look at that movement. Now I'm gonna cut the lace. So let's see if we are laid, honey. Whew. Okay, I think we are laid. I think we're laid. I'm gonna use my brow thingy. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. I'm gonna fix like the little white stuff with makeup, so don't worry about that. So far, this is what the hairline is looking like. I know it's a bit white, but we're gonna fix that with makeup. I'm just gonna press it on the hairline a little bit. I don't know if I want to do baby hairs. I know you guys are screaming and you're probably just like, do the baby hairs, sis, but I'm not a baby hairs girl. I'm just a simple babe. Oh, this is just looking fantastic. I feel like it can blend just a little bit more, but I'm trying to think, what can I do to make it blend more without messing up the lace too much? Tell me what you guys think. Next time, should I wear it with baby hairs or do you think I should just leave it like this? But I think it's all right like this. I'm just gonna go in with my Moroccan argan oil, just a little bit of that on my hand, and just kind of press that in just to give the hair a really, really nice shine. Nah, you can't tell me this hair doesn't look like my relaxed hair. If you're natural and you want to relax your hair, do not relax your hair. Just buy this wig. Just buy this wig. People will think it's your hair. Good. Doesn't mean I can't be nice to you. Oh my gosh, now this head. Okay guys, I think I'm done. But the only thing I struggle with, I found, is that I just get like a cast when I do my hair. I just need to find out how I can get rid of that cast. Once I found that secret, it's over for you hoes. It's over for you hoes. Once I figure that out, it's over for you hoes. If you know what's good for you, just click the link in the description and buy this wig. If you know what is good for you, Shobo, if you know what's good for you, just click the link and buy this. What did I say? Buy this wig. Cause how make sense, but yeah, oh make sense. I'm done, guys. I am done. I think I'm happy with it. Let me just look at myself well. Let me just analyze it well. Wow. This is what the hair is looking like. It's giving body, it's giving flow. It's giving no tangles, it's giving no shedding. Okay? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hairline again. Period. Purr. Anyway guys, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching again. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.